Someone played a little too much today.
I heard there's a lot of treasure hidden in here.
I found the heart of the volcano! This piece of gold is worth millions of dollars! It's mine now! I'm rich!
Everyone, hurry! We have to run! We have to hurry!
Kind person, please help me and my animals.
Looks like someone is missing. My cow! Booba, we need to run! Everything is on fire!
You can't jump. Your leg hurts. Thank you, kind person.
Old Macdonald, I think I did something terrible.
Even in bad things, there is something good. You can still fix everything.
We have to be careful! We need to help them! Sheriff, what are you doing? We need to close these gates. We must protect the village. Old Macdonald, I have to fix everything.
I stole the heart of the volcano. This eruption started because of me.
Sheriff, give him a chance.
Old Macdonald helped me choose the right thing. But I could have been rich.
He did it. The right choices are not always the easiest ones.